Alright, you know what this means. Right after I install my beautiful S550 seats, the alternator died on this bitch. Let me show you. Look at them beauties. I didn't even get to enjoy them, so let's go change it. And first we gotta do some car shuffling. Bring the Mustang inside. Originally I was gonna rebuild my old one because it'd be interesting to do because it's pretty simple. Just open up the back, probably change the brushes and everything. But I got this off eBay for 75 bucks, include the shipping, and it's brand new. It's not rebuilt. You can't complain with that. $75. Alright, let's get it done. And yes, this is a 3.8 V6. This is a 03. I bought this brand new when I was in high school in 02. So I have this car for about 18 years now, and I have zero issues with it. There's zero oil anywhere, and I do drive it like I stole it, honestly. Well, actually, I did break the rear diff, the pinion gear, so now I have a GT rear end. But anyways, this should be a simple replacement job. So what we're gonna do is release tension on a tensioner and remove the belt, and then we'll access all the bolts here. Alright, before we start working on that, you always have to disconnect the battery. Always start with the negative. Alright, so first thing is a belt tensioner down here. Very simple. Pull it up, slide this bad boy off, and just keep it there. Alright, now that one is done. We're gonna disconnect some cables. There's one right here and one in the back. Alright, I'm gonna get this bad boy off. Okay, she's off. Next thing is unplugging it. Like that. Cables off. Now from the front, there's two different screws. One is 13 millimeter, the upper one, and 15 the lower. Upper one is out. Not enough power on this guy. Didn't want to bust my knuckles. Anyways, this bad boy is out, and then just like that, she comes out. Oh, come on. A little persuasion didn't hurt anybody. Here is the old one, here is the new one. That was really simple. The back of it. This is also a replacement. I'm not sure where I got it, but I know this one is 79 bucks and they say it's brand new, not rebuilt or remanufactured. So, and let's put it back in the car. There's nothing really to compare. I think just oh yeah, oh wow. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know why. Look at that. The bearings are like toast. You can see the wheel like wobble compared to, well, this one's wobbling a little bit too, but this one is wobbling a lot more. Oh yeah. Anyways, let's put it back.
I've been wanting something from you. You ain't giving nothing. I've been wanting something.
Ooh, look how shiny it is. Alright, everything is put back together. Now let's just start the car and make sure we're getting, I think, 14 or 13 volts. Alright, she's hooked up. She's making 13.2 volts. And by the looks of it, of the spec, it's supposed to be making 13.4. I don't know if you can read that, but it's working. Cool. Well, I appreciate you guys for watching. Now I'm just gonna wash her and get all these leaves off. As you can see, all leaves and dirt and grime. All this is from California burning. But anyways, I appreciate you guys watching. So next thing for me is to wash it and enjoy my Mustang. Well, appreciate you guys watching, and make sure you subscribe and hit the like button, because on next mod list is gonna be building a custom diffuser for this beautiful thing. It's gonna be something crazy. It's gonna come out, it's gonna come back, it's gonna look like a Lambo diffuser. So until next time, thank you again. Appreciate you watching and giving me the thumbs up.